Hello, YouTube and X is your main man, BTM here, bringing you back to the BTM Crypto News Network. Let's go, guys. Happy Tuesday, and welcome back to the BTM Crypto News Network, and welcome Zebekian millionaires, Zebekianaires, or Zebec Army, or the Zebec Warriors. How you doing? How things going? What up? What's going on, fam? What up, William Mack? What's up? Better load, load, load. Opportunities does expire. I'm gonna replay. I'll watch it at work. No problem, William. Um, what up, Silver Days? BTM Crypto News Network. Let's go. XRP Army. And I didn't do an XRP video today. I need to figure out a time to do these later on in the day, but I'm always sleepy. Let's see if I can do one in the afternoon or at night. And I guess I'm going to slowly start pushing the videos back. I'm going to try to keep this at 3:30, uh, or maybe 7:30, 8:30. I don't know. I got to figure out a time to do videos later in the day. Things are getting busier during the morning, so it's harder to do them, or early afternoon, but we can push them back. Like, share, subscribe. Thank you, Silver Days. Zebec. What up, DR? What's going on? Can you check out Knots? Well, we'll check that out actually. What is that? Blue? But let me see here. We'll turn on the spotlight and see what we can see. Shout out to Caleb and Brown. Caleb and Brown is one of the sponsors of the BTM Crypto News Network. So thanks for joining. Thanks for like, sharing, subscribing. Shout out to all the Zebekians. And if you're looking for an exchange or a brokerage, actually, to help you custody your crypto and help you buying and giving you advice. So this is not an exchange. This is an actual brokerage. So you get a actual broker and they walk you through and they help you being able to update your crypto, add crypto, sell crypto, exchange crypto. And the good thing is there is no fee when you sell. Like a lot of these exchanges charge you an additional fee when you sell the crypto back to them. But with Caleb and Brown, there is no additional fee on um, that sale. So there's actually a pretty good process. It's a good site. They're safe. They're open 24 hours or 7. I think they're based out of Australia, and they're actually pretty helpful and pretty cool. So if you sign up, use my link in the description, and I think you get like 5-10% off something. I get like 5-10% off. I don't know. I have to go back and check. Uh, do you think we see an upside for altcoin season in September? Honestly, no. Hopium, yeah, it's going to take off. But honestly, historically, September is the worst time of the year for crypto because of the holidays, people moving around, school starting. As a whole, September is not a good time for crypto investing, but it is a good time to buy the dip. Somebody says it. What up? I bet with the goat. What up, dog? What's going on, fam? Been a minute. Yeah, where you been hiding at, bro? What you been up to? Ali, what's going on? Greetings, crypto fam. So do you guys want to do more crypto videos other than what is that? Other than Zebec and XRP and Caspa. Is there any other things you guys want to discuss? We might start doing just open videos, but I'm definitely gonna keep the Zebec video. Yo, 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 fam, don't trip by the dip. DBA can go as low as 0038. This is my bottom target. I'm a buy anyway, close. Okay, I'm kind of blown up on the thing here. What is this? That's just me though. Zebec bags are packed. Buying Flare while it's still time. Also picked up some Flare. Shout out to Crypto Clay. Thanks for that. Been busy buying the dip on Cash. Yeah, so I need to do the Cash video, bro. But as usual, crypto is down today. Not a lot of videos. Right? I'm a content creator. I'm always making videos and I look to see what's out there. And I notice not a lot of Zebec videos going today, right? When Zebec's up, it's crazy. Everybody and mom's making videos. When it's down like today, you don't hear nothing. But you do get the futters. Of course, on green days, I don't hear nothing. But if Zebec is down, where are we? If Zebec is down 0.0001%, I start getting messages. I start getting DMs and emails and comments. All kind of Zebec is going to zero. Zebec's not the one. Zebec's a scam. Zebec's a fraud. Zebec is run by con artists. All kind of crazy stuff. And bro, I literally research this every freaking day. Right? Do your own research, right? DYOR. Do your own freaking research. Don't come to me telling me all kind of scammers, uh weird stuff that you didn't even research, right? I love the Zebec content. Thanks, Crypto Clay. Nautilus, not what is this? Let me write that down real quick. If we get a chance, we'll come back to that. So what is this? This is uh Tech and XDB. I haven't heard of XDB before. What up, Yazim? Let's go. What is this? Algo don't partner with S coins. Yeah, yeah, yeah. No, no. I was looking at I was looking at a video earlier. Someone was talking about CG and CG taking money from anybody and everybody just to get a scam. Just double checking something real quick. Um, Let me see. Yazim, my brother. So let's see here. Let's look at the bubbles real quick. Everything is red. And as I say, not financial advice. This is just for entertainment purposes. But as always, keep an eye on the things that are green when everything else is red. You can see Casper's down 3.6, Snake's down 8.4, Hex is down 7.7, Flare's down 4.9, picking up some more Flare today. Bonk's down 4.2, Osmosis 4.3, XPR. A lot more people have been talking about XPR as well. So keep an eye on that. XPR is down 5.5. Stronghold. Somebody was talking about Stronghold as well today, down 11%. Might be a good time to the dip. But let me know what you guys think about that. ArcPay is down 2.2. XLM is down 4.1. Cardano is down 6.2. What did you say? Dang it. You said, get that flare, baby. Reply shock is coming. Mark my words. So, okay, there it is. What is this? I want to say I was looking at that before. IX. What is this? 5% on the day. Keep an eye on that guy. And what was the other one? Was it XDB? That's weird. Yeah, I don't even look at anything that's not even, I guess this is the top 1,000, give or take. Is that XDC? But we'll get back to the bubbles. Ooh, Velvet. What is that? Sounds interesting. Um, Boudin's down 4.1. This Nana's up 5.4. Let me see. What is this? Ooh, low market cap like I like it. 0008. What the freak? What is this? This okay, it's this guy. I like it cheap, right? If it's cheap, I can get in and get out or hold. I'm not going to lose any money. No, it is XDB, not under 1,000 cryptos. All right, we'll keep an eye on that then. Quant's down 2.6. What is this? White Rock. I don't know, bro. White Rock is probably the most volatile crypto out there, right? These guys are always up and down. Go look up King Curran videos on Flare. He explains it very well. Also find Jenna X video with Hugo. Somebody else mentioned the Jenna X video. Maybe that was you yesterday. I'll look at that as well. I got to make a note because when the video comes down, you can't see the messages, which I think is a pretty weird flaw. You got to go back and watch the whole video again. So I'll just try to make notes in the interim. Uh, I must need a wingman because everybody has wingmans. I got to get me a wingman, somebody to do videos with. XRP is down 5 point. Come on. XRP's under $3. I'm not saying buy, but keep an eye on that against non-financial advice. But eat the dip. Hint, helium is down 9.2. AIXBT is down 5.8. Radium is down 6.4. Mr. Miggles is down 8.5. Block's down 2.7. Ethereum Classic is down 3.3. Near is down 4.4. Leo is down 2.2. That ain't dropped the price on the miners though. Where are we at? Todd's down 2.9. McCade is down 8.2. ZBCN, our favorite payroll processor we know and love, is at the 0041. Now 5% on the day, 17 on the week. AIOZ is now 8.3. Pepe is down 3.4. Sui is down 4.2. Ordina's down 3.6. Solana's down 2.6. Powell is down 6.8. Algo is down 5.9. Pick up some Algo. Low key. What's Algo at, actually? I might have to go ahead and snag some Algo. Make a note of that. Get the Algorand while it's on the low. Wait. Geo. A. Dang it. ALGO. Get Algo while it's on the low. Astratus down 13.6. Bitcoin is down to 111K. Say it ain't so. Let me see here. Peanut is down 5.2. GigaChash down 6.5. The meme coins are tanking. Ingest is down 6.7. Metals down 2.5. DAG is down 6.1. ICP. And that weird, annoying YouTube guy is down 4.1. Turbo's down 3.2. Shib's down 3.5. H bar is down 3.9. Note to self, grab some H bar as well. You guys think the market is going to continue to dip, or do we need the DCAN on the way down? Sky's down 3.5. Ethereum is down 4.1. Like DCAN to Ethereum as well. So a couple dollars. FET's down 1.5. Where are we? Kind of all over the place today. AI Tech is down 4.2. Bears down 1.6. Farcoin is down 4%. Render's down 4.3. Spectre's down 13. I'm selling that Spectrum. Just done with that. Spar AIZ16's down 4. Mog's down 5.8. Link's down 5. Assemble AI's down 2.3. XDC is down 1.2.2 actually. I was like, that's a small bubble. Flucke's down 3.6. Prime's down 2.3. I think that's most of them. What's going on in the chat? Algo already doing atomic swaps. Yex. Love DAG and H bar. Definitely. From what you guys have been looking at and what I've been researching, I think X bar is a definite hitter as well. DAG and H bar will be used to upgrade the air traffic control system. IOM X space. What is IOM? IOM. Um, I'm all in. No. But where's DAG? DAG's down 6%, in my opinion. Okay. I'm about to say, what the? Wow. DAG is actually 100 million market cap. That's right up my alley. Down 13 spots though. Oh no. But I'm definitely grabbing some more H bar and Algo. In my opinion, no problem there, Clay. Okay, let's play this quick short song. This is my main man, Crypto Chrome, I think his guy's name is. And he's talking about Zebec, quick short. He might be the king of the Zebec shorts after me, but most of his shorts are better than mine. So I guess he might be the Zebec short king.
Zebec is changing how compliance feels. Instead of slowing you down like a speed bump, it works more like a launch ramp that accelerates growth. Imagine crypto payroll as a high-speed train racing forward. Compliance becomes the switch that keeps it safely on track, guiding it smoothly across borders in real time. Now picture sitting with Nick Andrews, a veteran of global regulation, explaining how enterprises unlock trust at scale. With GateKnox, Zebec transforms know your customer, know your business, and anti-money laundering checks into a kind of digital passport. Instead of endless forms, onboarding happens instantly. It's the difference between standing in a long grocery line and scanning your own item at self-checkout, only this time, fraud protection is built in. The line moves faster, but the rules stay. Intact. Enterprises crave speed, regulators demand bulletproof checks, and that tension has always slowed adoption. Because if every country writes its own rulebook, how can payroll flow freely across borders? The old way meant weeks of paperwork. The new way blends AI with GateKnox. It checks patterns, matches documents, flags risks in seconds, while humans step in only when they're needed. That means employees get paid instantly, vendors onboard in minutes, and compliance clears across 30 countries at once. This isn't just convenient. It's what unlocks institutional adoption because banks and funds only move when they trust the system. Markets and crypto assets regulation and the Financial Conduct Authority don't need to be obstacles. They can become the gold standard. As Nick says, do compliance once at the highest level and then reuse it everywhere. It's like building a bridge strong enough for trucks, so every car can cross without worry. Now picture launch day, payroll lined up, vendors waiting. One missing check could bring the whole train to a halt. But with Zebec and gate knocks, the signal turns green, the doors close, the engines rise. Hear that click? That's compliance locking in at speed. And when compliance moves this fast, trust stops being a barrier. It becomes your competitive edge. Want more crypto videos? Check out my playlist. Remember, this post is brought to you by the Crypto Chrome. Like, follow, share, and repost.
Yeah, that was the longest short for no reason. I don't know, but it's weird because I watched this like 3 times already and it's fine. And as soon as I go live, it starts buffering. I guess that's what's happening. I don't know what's happening, but it's weird because I was just watching the video. But that's here nor there. Keep it moving. This is bum bum bum. Those buying the dip, I'm ready to buy a yacht. Who's buying the dip? I'm ready to buy a yacht. Patience, grasshopper, patience. Young Padawan. Um, what is this? Trump has spoken about a couple of private companies being used to upgrade the air traffic control system. I believe DAG and HBAR both fit the bill. The robots won't take cash. Buying the dip now. What up, Ocean View Cafe Shop? Where is the Ocean View Cafe Shop? Let me see. So this is don't miss X. So they moved the AMA that was, I guess, gonna be this week to next week, or if it was last week, they moved it to next week. So they skipped this week, something about a scheduling conflict or something. I don't know, but at least they're keeping us current and they're honest. So that's a good thing, right? People can't be like they're not. They moved the AMA and didn't tell us it's a scam. It's a crook. No, fool. It's right here. The date has been updated. I guess they'll make a posting at some point, but this is what we have now. The date is Wednesday, August 27th, which I think is next week. August 27th is next Wednesday. Uh, Zebec holders, do you even understand? XLMM pulled off 112x with similar structure as Zebec back in 2018 with a relatively close market cap also. Now, Zebec may not go 112x here, but surely a parabolic run is upon us and the sky is the limit. So this is Zebec, and I guess this is XLM. And he is right. This chart does look very similar, right? Came up, came down for us to pick it up, then it exploded, right? William is here as well. They changed their schedule, rug pull. Right, right, right. It's a scam, right? It's a scam. They moved the date. It's not possible. It's a scam. Uh, it's a rug pull. These guys are gonna take your money, going to zero. They changed, right? We can't verify anything. It's over. Like, bro, calm down. There's William. Uh, ZBCN immense influence at this level. Arch anchored volume, pre-resistance, and a .5 fib for the macro move since July 6th, all in line up at the 0041. Last time we had a bullish div on an MFI from oversold momentum indicator was the bottom. Bounce looks likely. Congratulations if you're buying. And this is what they're saying. I guess this is where we bounce up from the 002 00418. And this is the MFI. I don't even know what MFI is. But it looks like there's something very similar, very seriously happening in all the charting. But I don't rely on the charts much, right? ZBCN trying to hold support. Critical test here, and this is at the 431 00421. And I think currently we are at the 00416. This is shout out to Crypto Clay and Yazin. What's going on with you, fam? Um, so again, this is more analysis. I don't really care much about the analysis. It's cool. I just use it to kind of track where we're at, but you can't predict, right? The FBI still has my crystal ball, so predicting cryptos is out of the question until I get my crypto ball, which is weird. ZBCN is painting a beautiful picture. After a long accumulation phase, ZBCN broke out and has now come back to retest a key trend line. This is a very bullish signal. Bounce from here could trigger a major expansion phase. The chart is clear. Don't fade this one. So let's see. This is expansion. This is accumulation, right? Then we expansion, which we would call a pump. And of course, when it pumps up, it always comes back down. And we hit the bottom at the 003. I guess it's 003 something, 00289 maybe. And came up a little bit and it bounced back down. So directly went up and it came back down to the 0041. So expansion is close. I can't agree 100%. Blockchain backer is the only wizard I listen to. What up, days? Blockchain banner backer. But there is possible room for the upside. Yesterday we added the sixth blockchain. This is today. Circle wins, ZBCN wins too. Did Circle say that? Shut the front door. Did Circle say that? Dang it, sound. I don't know why there's no sound on the video. Kind of strange. Pretty cool video with no sound. I don't know. This is buy the dip before retail finds out it's too late. Pirates don't mean to sound excited, but I'm loving these dips. Loading up. You'll be surprised how one day makes a difference. Pure gold. And I do agree there because when I was under a million, I sold most of the Zebec and waited for the price to dip down. The price that I was at, I think I had 700,000, and I sold it. When I bought back in, I went from 600,000 to like 800,000. So if it dips again, I'm gonna do that and keep. Actually, since I'm over a million now, I'll probably just buy DCAN versus selling it and buying it because it's risky. Again, it's not financial advice. Do your own research and get it how you live. Don't sell your kidneys or remortgage your house to buy crypto. I'm just saying, be smart. Um, ZBCN market update August 19th, which is today. Current price at the 0041, 67%, 24 hours, 7 days. Market cap, dang, we're down to 355 mil on? Still 40% off all-time high to 0071 from May 20th. Technical bullish retest support the VWAP, the VWAP, 0.0618 fib DOC, signaling a potential bottom. Forecast short-term dip to the 00356. If it gets under 4, I'm buying, bro. Possibly key breakout at the 0058. Bull case hold above support. Breakout should launch, move to the 006 to the 007, even toward the 1.8 cents. Shut the front door. That would be very bullish. But if it does get to 1 cent, we need no, at 10 cents, it's got to be a 9.18 billion market cap, which is possible, right? Uh, Clay donate sperm. Interesting idea, actually. Might need to look into that. Hold tight or positioning for the bounce. I'm back, everyone. Let's keep showing the love and support. ZBIC has still got so much to come. Pause. Hope you all are well, my friends. No, I've been too quiet about ZBIC lately, and I won't be silenced no more. ZBIC is the best cryptocurrency project I have ever seen, and I'm not reading that. But he's right. It's a very good project from all the other crap that's on the market. ZBCN, reach out, take it, sound up. Okay, tell me there's actually a video here, not actual music. It must be up on my end because there it is, the music here. I hate when they do that. For some reason, the music streams weird, but I do like the Zebec battleship. It's actually pretty cool. The Zebec token. I saw that earlier. I'm not 100% sure what the pirate part's about, but looks pretty cool. And let me take the sound off because they'll ding me for copyright for music that doesn't even play. Like, bro, it's not even playing anything. Zebec Network. Zebec. Let's see what we got here. It's actually pretty cool. I might have to use this for a video. Dang it. Did you ever get yeah, I think so, actually. Gotta go back and check. I thought I posted it somewhere. I'll go back and check. ZBCN isn't playing in the minor leagues. This is an infrastructure level finance, real-time payments, compliant first rails, institutional adoption in motion, force to be reckoned with, and the rest will be left trying to catch up. The future of payroll is here. This is again that same video. Not 100% sure what's up with the car video, but whatever. And I think this is the last one. It is. So looking at the live coin watch for the hour, we're down up 0.56. 24 hours, we're up 4.8. We're down 4.8, 28 hours. I'm tripping. 7 days, we're down 17.2. 30 days, we're up 26.1. 90 days, up 81.3. For the year, we're up 341. And still, Live Coin Watch does not have the market cap, which is crazy strange. 00417. Current price. Market cap is 379.8 mil won, down 4.73. 24-hour trading volume is 18.1, up 0.33. Let's see here. Current holders, according to Solo Scan, is 81,068. But this weird because yesterday, actually, I guess it is the same. Gonna refresh that and go back. Fear and greed index is neutral. That means that people are dumping crypto because it's not in the greed section no more. And Bitcoin has come down. So these guys are not putting a lot of money into it, apparently. But let me know what you guys think about that as well. Let me see. Altcoin season is at a 45 out of 100. Bitcoin is at 113. Um, altcoin season is pulling back again. It was up to like maybe 47, 48. Now it's coming back down. So this is 46. This is where we're at here, I guess. No, actually, we're probably over here somewhere. CoinMarketCap alt season index page, real-time insight and whether the cryptocurrency market is currently in alt season. Based on performance of the top 100 altcoins relative to Bitcoin over the past 90 days, with detailed charts and metrics for tracking market trends and altcoin domination. So this is M. What the freak is M? I don't want to. Let me just open another page up. Okay, so meme core? What the freak is meme core? Binance. Why is it always the Binance tokens, man? Is that Binance? It is Binance, actually. Always the Binance tokens. So OKB, Putty Penguin, Aerodrome, I don't know what's this, MENFX, CFX, FPX, Ethereum, Uniswap, Hype, Link, Lido, Chrono, AB, BCH, XLM, okay, Form, SEI, Tron, IP, XTZ, Morpho. The freak Morpho. Weird. Um, Kaya, XRP, Flare. See out here, Flare. 20% pump. Pendle, H bar, Arc, H block, or Arbitron actually. Litecoin, XDC, Um, Cardano, Ethereum Classic, Ingest, Pick Leo, Boink, Quant, Algotron. Trying to see is uh dang, it's not even on here at all. On the green or the red. That's crazy. Let me see. Radium, Sky, ICP, Ondo, Jupiter Dodge, Flow, Pith, Sui San, Atom, Near, Theta, Fet, Jasmine, Filecoin, Galavet, Dot, Pepe, Tau, Render, Caspa, STX, Wall, Fartcoin. Told them guys. I'm glad I didn't put a lot of money in Fartcoin or Fartcoin. It came up and now it came down. But I told you, all these projects with all this weird information is good for a pump, but that pump is going to burn you because it's going to come back down. Actually, this is Morpho. That's weird. Meme coin. And let's see if we can go back to Zebec and see what coin market cap has on the agenda for Zebec at the 00418. Why is Zebec down? Not just full of FUD. Zebec's also delusional. I'm saying, man, it's weird. People don't say anything when it's up and then it's down. I'm swiping this. Shout out to. Did I say this one yet? Hold on. Let me see. We might see this on a video near you. Shout out to ZBCN 360. Let's see what he has to say. Big time bullish on low liquidity exchanges. A few big sell orders could drag the price down, while new holders often retail accumulate slowly and don't impact the price much. That makes sense. When it comes to all the Zebec, ZBC, and speculation, if people are holding for speculative reasons, but not using ZBCN and Zebec's ecosystem payment, DeFi, etc., the demand doesn't grow as fast as the supply. This imbalance can suppress price short term. Let's freaking go. Let's see here. You can see how price drops hard while the buying volume isn't increasing to 20 million or even 30 million. That alone should tell you no one's interested in this scam project with top 5 holders holding 51%. That's weird, man. This guy always pops up if it's down, right? If it's up tomorrow 20%, we won't hear anything from Johnny. Um, Zebec is on fire. Holders, let's go time. Past few hours have been insane. Is this today? With ZBCN buys going off the charts, people are scooping up the Zebec Network like it's the last ticket to the moon. Really? I need to go ahead and get my ticket to the moon then. This is a sleeping giant is waking up. Bulls are charging, and the sentiment is bullish AF. X post screaming buy. Join the revolution. Grab your ZBIC and let's ride the wave to the top. Do your own research. Billy Palmer just gotta subscribe. My main man, what's going on, bro? If you like it, I love it. Where are the fudders at when you need them? I need this coin around the mid threes so I can add another million coins to my collection. ZBCN to Saturn. I like it, mailman. If you like it, if you like it, I love it. I like that one though. Chill and relax. What we call in the game, chillax, brother. We're good. ZBCN's doing fine. The whole market's down, so just take advantage of the dip. Don't worry about the FUD. They're just mad because their investments aren't moving, so they come to our community to trash ours. All right. Prime VS Bitcoin. I see you out here. I'm bullish. We will reach. I think you got those numbers wrong there, Slick. Uh, 001 soon to the moon. So bullish. We will reach. I think you might have added a couple extra zeros there, Slick. No worries. Appreciate your effort. Not even tripping there. Remember, Foo Fighter. This is your opportunity for the dip. It's like you only have one day to take advantage of this. Let me see. Let's look at the trader view. We can come back to the fudders. Let me see. I'm bullish on ZBCN. I have a nervous breakdown if I were taking this, if I was trading this coin with leverage. Don't trade it with leverage, my friend. And I want you to have a nervous breakdown. I'm bullish on Zebec. The bot signal, the bot sent a sign. We can consider longs in this area. Big news incoming. Don't miss. Wow, you put everybody's name on that one, huh? Not 100% sure. This is dampen the Coinbase advertising. Again, ZBake is available on Coinbase Wallet, Payment, and Solana. Not 100% sure what you're saying there. But yeah, let's look at TradingView real quick. Look at some numbers. Let me see. On Circle and stable coins. Bro, sit down, Kevin. What is this? This is, what is this? This is, dang it, what is it? Oh, yeah, TradingView. So currently on the 4 hour chart, this is the 0039. And 4 hour looks like we are coming up, not going to bounce off the 0039. Holding steady at the 0040. RSI is 32.8. RSI base moving average is 37.2. Histogram is losing volume on the Mac, and there is no Mac cross, so I guess we're going to continue losing volume. 1 hour chart is also losing volume. RSI is 39.2. RSI base moving average is 43. There's a red candle at the 2 hour chart, and this is the 006. It's on the 4 hour. Check the 15 minute. 00409. Looks like we're holding steady on the 15 minute. RSI is 44.1. RSI base MA is 39.8. Got a couple of green candles. Looks like the MAC crossed and the volume is building on the 15 minute. On the 5 minute, we're building volume. RSI is 48.6. RSI base moving average is 52.1. And a couple of red. Actually, looks like we're holding the 0041 pretty well on the 5-minute chart. So let's see what's going on. Oh, I got two windows of the same thing open. Let's see what this guy is. 2 hours ago. Check out the latest and greatest. The Zebec low is in. And I hope that is the case. So is the Zebec on fire? Actually, he's right. Looks like there is a lot of accumulation going on here. Heavenly bullish on Zebec. Forget the futters. There's always one place Zebec is going, and that is up the stairway to heaven. Let's go to the upper room. Okay, so let's see what CMB is saying. CMC, actually, I don't know where I got CMB from. Zebec, ZBCN fell 6.3% over the past 24 hours to the 0042, underperforming the broader crypto market, down 2.96. In the drivers, technical breakdown, price slipped below key support levels, triggering bearish momentum. Profit taking triggered crash in after 31.8 30-day rally. Lower volume 24-hour turnover dipped to 3.95, signaling weaker buying conviction. Technical breakdown, bearish impact. Overall, ZBCN broke below its pivotal point. The 00446 also failed to hold the critical 38.2 FIB retracement levels at the 0049. The MACD histogram turned negative at the 000143, while the 7-day RSI 35.4 approached oversold territory. Need a good graph where it's telling you oversold versus overbought, right? How do you know which one is overbought versus oversold? Traders exited positions as momentum flipped bearish. The price now tests 50% fib zone 0045, which aligns with the 20-day EMA 00529, the make or break level for trend continuation. What to watch: a daily close below the 00457 could extend losses towards the 00423. So what are we? You said the 0047. We're under that. And how is it a close if the market's open 24 hours a day? I don't quite understand that part either, but we will see. Profit taking after rally, neutral impact. Zebec, ZBCN surged 31.8 in July 2025, driven by staking milestones, 4 billion tokens locked, and regulatory progress, MiCA compliance roadmap. However, 24-hour decline coinciding with reduced bullish volume, down 3.9. Well, actually are down 3.9, indicating profit taking. What this means: the pullback appears corrective rather than structural. As ZBCN fundamentals remain intact, 320 enterprise clients, 43 million monthly payroll volume, weekends exiting after the rally created selling pressure. Market wide risk off, sentiment bearish. The total crypto market cap fell 2.6% in 24 hours with Bitcoin dominance rising to 59.06. Altcoins like ZBCN faced amplifying selling as traders rotated to safer assets. So they're going to safer assets. Man, they're pocketing that, bro. What this means, Zebix high beta 13 minus 13.9 versus 3 minus 3 for crypto overall in 7 days magnified the downside during the broader risk aversions. Conclusion. Zebix dip reflects technical triggers, profit taking after a strong month and sector wide caution, while the project's compliance progress SOC 2 audit completion by August 2025 and uh, ecosystem growth, 15 blockchains integrated, which is 16 now, remain tailwinds. Short-term sentiment hinges on holding the 00457. Key watch can Zebec ZBCN stabilize above the 20-day moving average? And will the fear and greed index 53 neutral shift towards greed to reignite altcoin? And I'm pretty sure altcoin demand, and I'm pretty sure it's going to stay in that middle section, which means the altcoin season is again still on hold. So this is the fear and greed index. If it ever comes up, 53, which is neutral. So what they're saying is need the fear and greed index to go over to the green, which would be greed. But it is neutral and altcoins are 46. So things are kind of in a holding pattern. But this is when you can get crypto on sale, right? Not financial advice. This is just for entertainment purposes. But there appears to be a fire sale on the way. That's what I'm saying. This was green earlier. Now it's down 27, right? So it went up and down. This white swings hard. Need to get into some kind of leveraging, I guess, or futures and make a fortune with these guys. Still at the 0041. See if there is any new news on X. See if we can go check the feed real quick. The ZBCN. Um, Keep an eye on Zebec's pre-event announcements. Past success suggests well-executed strategy could mirror Proton's 25% gain or Stellar's 15% boost. And it does make some sense. There might be something. What is it? Buy the rumor, sell the news. So that might be. Oh wow, this guy's posting like a madman. Let me see here. Set your reminders. It looks like the space is now set for August 22nd for all for a good reason. Going to be an explosive space. Can't wait. Can't wait, can't wait, can't wait. Did they update this? They have not updated it yet. I think he's looking at the same link I was looking at. Personal bank in the palm of my hand. The ZBIC compliance is all the same. Earn, spend, stake, comply. Uh, How you gonna say? Yeah, I'm not. What happened here? Is this somebody else's? Oh, let's see. Sabos, we've already talked about. Invite small, early stage crypto projects to meet the SEC in Chicago, September 15th. We might have to be there. I bought the dip 00417, making history. I'm looking back all major drawbacks from Zebec and say I went 100% on every opportunity. Big win, big lose. The system is broken. Struggle is promised. However, you look at it, at least you can shoot and see how it turns out. Want to support some DGens? Where you at? Uh, uh, let's see if that thing was moving, and apparently it is not. It's like most of this we've already covered. Slow news day for Zebec boys and gals. I'm so freaking bullish. Partnered with MasterCard, ZBCN, Zebec, who partnered with Uphold, Zebec, and MasterCard, who created a new debit card for users to offboard. Uphold, who's partnering as fast as they can with what feels like every darn chain out there, who facilitates Uphold's debit cards, who manages the treasury on Uphold, Zebec, who has 10 million users with almost having a credit card. Uphold. Yes. Results. Zebec partnered with MasterCard. What was this? Why is there no date here? Yes, Zebec Network is partnered with MasterCard. Zebec has launched a crypto credit debit card called Zebec Carbon. Is powered by MasterCard. The partnership allows Zebec users to spend their crypto at millions of locations worldwide where MasterCard is accepted. In addition to Zebec Carbon Card, Zebec has a partnership with MasterCard. And I'm tripping. People were saying there was no partnership there. Like literally, it's on a freaking website, man. According to reports from July 2025, Uphold and Zebec Networks are in partnership. More specifically, Zebec Networks managing the treasury with Uphold Institutional. There's also an exclusive rewards campaign where Uphold XRP holders can receive a ZBCN reward directly in their Uphold account. And let's see. Uh, it's bullish at the considerable amount lower than half a penny. We may call this the dip finally. So, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, cats and dogs, we'll call it a day. I'm actually getting kind of weird, sleepy, and I need to do a couple things, but not a lot of news going today. So, thanks for like, sharing, subscribing. Thanks for super chatting. Thank you for supporting your main man, BTM, and the BTM Crypto News Network. We'll be here, same bat channel, same bat time as always. And thanks for joining. And don't forget, stay dangerous. And as always, let's get back to the money, guys. And it's your main man, BTM, signing out. It's okay to be different, weird, or odd. Maybe it's not you that's different, weird, or odd. It's everyone else. But as always, see you soon. And Miner is out. Peace out.